Kenny, Brooke, and welcome to our channel where every week I do something different. So today I got some very special guests here.
Hello.
You've seen them on my channel before plenty of times. This is
Cameron.
Devin.
Yeah. So today we're going to be doing a cook with us video. So we got this really awesome home chef meal, which makes it super easy to cook.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Yeah. So today we are going to be making
Roasted butternut squash risotto.
So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so now let's see what's in our bag. So the rice is pretty much done. Then we're just waiting on the squash to finish cooking. So how's it going, Cameron?
Interesting.
Devin?
I think it's going pretty good.
Okay. We'll come back once the squash is done. So it is all done now. It looks interesting. So we're gonna try it.
I mean, it's not
It's
bad.
honestly not that bad. I actually really like it.
Okay, so Devin, rate the whole meal and then what's your favorite part?
The meal, I don't know, I'd probably get a 6 out of 10. And then my favorite is probably the rice.
Okay, Cameron?
I'd probably give it like maybe an 8 even. Cause like it's good. Favorite part? I don't know, it's probably the rice. And this.
Squash?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll probably go right in between them and say 7. It's pretty good, but it's not the best. And then my favorite part, I really like squash and walnuts, so like these aren't super good compared to ones I've had. So my favorite is probably the rice. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure to give a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit that little bell next to it so you get notified every time I post a new video.
And shout out to all those parents out there.
Yeah, cause you guys cook and make it taste like really good.
Yeah, so cooking is really hard. That's what we learned today, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!